So I'll put the tape along the bumper. You'll want to put it along the points of contact. And that ain't going nowhere. To get your lower clip in, you got lips on both sides of this that's gonna line up right with this little air vent. So it's best to have 2 or 3 guys to do this, one on each side and the guy in the middle. So I have the guys on each side line up that lip, and then once they get it to where it needs to be, that's gonna dictate to where your center's gonna be. So as long as you're lined up on both sides, you're pretty much golden. And so I got 3M here and here, and did the same thing on the other side. And then to put it on the center, I had stuck it straight to the clip. You guys wanna grab the corners? Just make sure you're right where you need to be whenever you hit that tape. You good over there?
I got an idea too.
Go ahead, I'm watching. Go ahead. Is it better now? Oh yeah.
All right, it is. Well, we got it put on, and the gist of it, you got 5 screws that you're gonna have to use of your own hardware. 3M, we put 3M on this to get it set. Same thing for the other side. And then you got 2 screws right here, a screw in the center, and then 2 screws on this side.